This is just a very quick orientation to the K-12 climate policy map. Here you see the United States. If you zoom out, there's Alaska, Hawaii as well. And you'll see as you first open up this map, it's going to be activated with the single layer of green. And this layer is actually showing you, if you go over to the legend here, the three lines, the total policies, total climate related policies that have passed in the various states. So there's up to 14 policies. We'll zoom out just a tiny bit here. And if you click on one of the states, it'll tell you the status of each of those different subcategories and the policies that they're working on. So for example, in Texas, there's 10 policies in play. We have everything from the school bus emission reduction policy and plans to green career programs for the career and technical education side of things. And you can see that that's sort of in the middle. Somewhere like California has more, as 14, and some place like South Dakota has 4. So you can see sort of grand total which states have the most policies in place or in the works. However, if you go over to the 3 stacked papers over here, stacked boxes, you can turn that off and you can actually go to specific subcategories. So if you just wanted to see the status of the career and technical education programs focused on green careers, you can activate that and you can see very quickly what is the status within different states. You could also look at something like, science standards. Some of these are sort of a simple yes, no, and other ones are a bit more complicated. You can see the school bus emission has a number of different types of responses. But in a nutshell, you can use this to see sort of the progress of different states as it pertains to climate policy. And one of the things that we would like to continue to build upon as we look at the national maps here is how we could also add policies at the local level. Could be at the city level, but it could also be at the district level, so that districts themselves could connect with other school district leadership who are looking for examples, exemplars, colleagues to swap notes, to connect with, and to really build that national network of school district administration and leadership. So that is on the horizon, but for now we have the state policies, and it's been really exciting to partner with the Aspen Institute on this, and we hope it goes to exciting places.